To record a screencast lesson using Zoom, visit stanford.zoom.us and log in to authenticate. Click on Schedule a new meeting. Give the meeting a name. Set it to a recurring meeting and change the recurrence to no fixed time. By doing that, you can use the same meeting ID every time you want to create a screencast recording. Turn the host video on if you want to record your face, or leave it off if you don't. And finally, check the Record the Meeting Automatically box and choose In the Cloud, and click Save. Once you've created that meeting, anytime you want to create a screencast recording of your lesson, go to this meeting ID. Again, if you want your face to be recorded, you can turn the video on. If not, you can leave it off. And then go ahead and click Share Screen. You have the option to share your entire desktop, or if you're only sharing one window, for example, PowerPoint, you can choose just that window. In the case of this demo, I'll share my entire desktop and click Share. Once it starts sharing, I can go ahead and open up my lesson, in this case, a PowerPoint, and go into presentation mode. Once I'm in presentation mode, I can begin my lesson. I can go through my lesson, speak over it, and when I'm done, I can escape out of PowerPoint. I'll stop the share and end the meeting. This will now generate a recording of this file in your Zoom account. It'll take anywhere from a few minutes up to a couple of hours depending on the length of your video for it to process on your account. Once the recording is finished processing, go back into your Zoom account through stanford.zoom.us. Click on the Recordings tab and choose the Screencast Recordings. From there, you'll notice various recording options. If you want your face and you recorded your face, you can export the shared screen with speaker view. If not, you can just export the shared screen. Go ahead and click on that. You'll notice that the first few seconds of my video are blank because I hadn't started sharing my screen. You can edit directly in Zoom. So go ahead and find the point where you started sharing your screen. So in my case, I'll go until the point where I launched my PowerPoint, which is about the 42-second mark. Go ahead and click on the scissors on the bottom right. Drag the timestamp at the beginning to the 42-second mark. So what that's doing is it's cutting out the first 42 seconds of this video. You can also do the same for the end if you want to cut off any portion of the end of the video. And click Save. Once you've done that, go ahead and click Download, and that'll download a file of this video onto your computer. You can then post that file onto your Canvas page or share it elsewhere.